Hello! Today I'm going to show you about length, the units of centimeter, and millimeter, and also meter and centimeter. Okay, I'm going to start with centimeter and milliliter. If you look at here, you can see my ruler. Okay. So if you look at the number here, 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter. If you start from 0 to 2, that is 2 centimeters. 0 to 3, that is 3 centimeters. Now, this length, 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter. But if you have 1 to 2, that is still 1 centimeter. If the measurement is from 2 to 3, that is still 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, let's look at the small lines in centimeter, in 1 centimeter. Don't count from 0, you're going to count after 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. Okay, so I repeat, this measurement from 0 to 1, that is the length of 1 centimeter. But inside 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters. Okay, so remember this, 1 centimeter is the same with 10 millimeters. Okay, so it means if there are 2 centimeters, that will be 20 millimeters. Let's check. So from 0 to 2, that is 2 centimeter. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if it is 2 centimeters, there are 20 millimeters. Okay. Now, let's say the measurement is 4 centimeter. I'm going to show you some examples. How to convert unit of length. Okay. Now we're going to do conversion. Convert units of length. Okay, how to convert unit of length. So let's say you know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So if it is 4 centimeter, that will be 4 times 10 millimeters. That's how you get the answer, 40 millimeters. There. Okay. So it means, I'm going to show you here, when it is centimeter, convert to millimeter, we are going to multiply by 10, like this, 4 times 10. So it will become 40 millimeters. Okay. Now, let's say the measurement is, let's say the length is 83 millimeters. We're going to convert this into centimeter. Okay, we're going to convert this into centimeter and millimeter. Now, you have learned that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. We can separate this 83. How do we separate this? 83 millimeter is equal to 80 millimeter and 3 millimeter. This is how I separate it. Okay, so I separate 80 millimeter and 3 millimeter. So when I use the word n, it is plus. And you have learned about this. If it's 10 millimeter, that is 1 centimeter. If it's 40 millimeter, that is 4 centimeter. Therefore, 80 millimeter is 8 centimeter. And the extra here, we just write 3 millimeter. So the answer for this is 8 centimeter and 3 millimeter. Easy, isn't it? Of course it is easy. Okay, now let's try another one. Let's say the length is 100, let me put it here, 107 millimeter. We're going to convert this to centimeter and millimeter. Again, let's separate this number, 107 millimeter. We can separate it to 100 millimeter and 7 millimeter. If you notice here, every time I separate, the number or the length behind must be less than 10 millimeter. Because if it's 10 millimeter, that is already 1 centimeter, isn't it? So if you look at here, this one is less than 10 millimeter. This one is also less than 10 millimeter. So you have learned, if you have 10 millimeter, that is 1 centimeter. If it is 40 millimeter, that is 4 centimeter. You can see the pattern. Yes. 80 millimeter, that is 8. Okay. So 100 millimeter, it should be 10 centimeter. And the extra here, just write it as 7 millimeter. So the only measurement that we change is this. We don't change this because it is less than 10 millimeter. So 100 millimeter is 10. So the answer for this is 10 centimeter and 7 millimeter. That's easy.